Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and this is Zeeshan Sattar with PTE listening exam highlights. In PTE listening exam, my dear students, there are exam minutes are total 30. The exam minutes are 30 minutes exam, and in these 30 minutes, students have to go for 30 minutes, and in these 30 minutes, students have to go for 8 questions in total. What they have to do in exam, 8 questions are there in the listening exam. So these 8 questions include number one, the first question of the listening exam. I'm putting on 8 here. So these 8 questions include number one, summarize the spoken text, multiple choice question with a single answer, fill in the blanks, highlight the incorrect summary, multiple choice question with a double answer, highlight the missing word, highlight the incorrect word, and then write from the dictation. And this is the second highest marks question of your PTE exam as well. Question by question, we talk about summarize the spoken text. 2 questions will be there in exam, and these 2 questions will contribute almost 24 marks in total. So I'm going to write things here as well so that you can get a better image. So almost 2 questions and 24 marks will be given by them to the section. And out of these 24 marks, 13 marks will go to listening, and 11.9 means 12 marks will go towards your writing exam. Multiple choice questions, there are about 2, and they are only giving 2.5 marks to your exam. And then there is a third one, and the third one is known as the fill in the blanks. And the fill in the blanks of your listening exam is the blanks are up at about 15 marks in total. There will be total 2 questions. I'm going to write it here. There will be total 2 questions, and these 2 questions will in total provide the exam with 15 marks. Then the next one is highlight the correct summary. It is a question of 3 marks. 2 questions almost with 3 marks. Multiple choice question, 2 questions with almost 1.5 marks. Select the missing word, 2 questions with almost 1.5 marks. Highlight the incorrect word. This will be a question, almost 2 to 3 questions in exam, and these 2 to 3 questions will give about 17 marks. Write from dictation. The second highest marks question of PTE, total 3 questions almost, and these will contribute about 45 to 50 marks to your total PTE exam. So if we talk about the first question, the first question is summarize the spoken text. Summarize the spoken text, 13 marks it will give to the listening exam and 12 marks to the writing exam. And then multiple choice question with a multiple answer, 2.6, and all goes to speaking and fill in the blanks, 7 marks almost to the listening exam and 7.5 marks to the writing exam. Highlight the correct summary, 1.3 marks to the listening and 1.5 marks to reading. Your multiple choice question with a single answer, 1.3 questions for numbers for your listening exam, and select the missing word, 1.3 marks for the listening exam only. And then highlight the incorrect word. 8 marks are there for your listening exam and 9 marks are there for the reading exam. Write from dictation, almost 20 marks for listening and almost 27 marks for your writing exam. So listening is not only important in one way. Listening is important in 2 ways. First, the total marks of listening are 90, but 8 questions which belong to listening. These 8 questions only provide 54 marks out of 90 to the listening exam. So there are total 54 marks out of 90 of these all 8 questions. So when listening के 90 पूरे कैसे होंगे? 36 marks are contributed by your speaking exam. What do you mean by this? This means that if somebody is weak in the speaking exam, he will suffer 36 marks in listening. That means low speaking, low listening. 36 numbers speaking दे रहा है आपके listening exam पर, So if you are weaker in speaking, you will be at the lesser numbers in their listening exam as well. So speaking will be having a direct impact on listening. So ध्यान कीजिएगा, listening को अगर उठाना है तो you have to uplift the speaking as well. Higher speaking, or the upper side speaking, the upper side listening, it is what our rule of thumb in total. 8 सवाल है टोटल लिस्टिंग के, या 8 सवाल 54 मार्क्स दे रहे हैं 90 में से टोटल लिस्टिंग के एग्जाम को, 36 मार्क्स लिस्टिंग का एग्जाम ले रहा है आपके स्पीकिंग एग्जाम से. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट स्पीकिंग का कौन सा क्वेश्चन लिस्टिंग को ये 36 मार्क्स देगा, तो रिमेंबर देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, RS repeat the sentence, plus the second question is retell the lecture. Retell lecture. These are the two questions which will provide 36 marks to your listening exam. If you want to get good marks in listening plus 2 questions, RS and retell the lecture. Enjoy the hard writing listening as well. ख्याल रखिएगा अपना. YouTube पर Google पे जाके अगर आप PTE राइटिंग एग्जाम, स्पीकिंग एग्जाम या आप रीडिंग एग्जाम को भी जानना चाहें, just type PTE reading exam highlights by Zeeshan and you will get all what of the rest of the module. So highlights of the writing, highlights of the reading, highlights of the speaking, and the marks bifurcation as well. You will get everything in the video format. इन वीडियोस को संभाल के रखिएगा, देखिएगा और इनको नोट कर लीजिए. बट important video, the most important video will be कौन से सवाल PTE के स्कोर को ऊपर लेके आ सकता है. So the separate video, and that will contain how to lift up the score in the PTE. ख्याल रखिएगा, देखते रहिएगा. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.